What's up everybody, Jack here with Gonzo's World, and today I'm here at Animal Kingdom at Walt Disney World, Florida, because today I'm in the world of Pandora. And today, this vlog is going to be one of my absolute favorite rides, the #1 ride ever of all time. So in this very area, this here is called Flight to Passage. So we are going to be doing this one here for the very first time. Now this will be containing like 3D effects, but you know, a little bit blurry, but it's a fantastic ever resort. But anyway, I'm going to put the GoPro on my head this time, because the chest group won't see through. So the headgear will be put on, and I cannot wait to show you everyone the world of the ride. So there will be no introduction videos, takes too long, but hopefully you will see the ride and the seating itself. But anyway, let's kick back, relax, and enjoy the show. And there you go. So that was Flight of Passage, the best ride ever. It was absolutely fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed this wild run that one here we have at Flight of Passage. I will say, go get it. Go ride it. You will have a thrill of a lifetime. And it's one of the #1 rides in the entire world. So please go whenever it is that one here. If it's California or Hong Kong, Japan, or anywhere else in the world, Flight of Passage at Pandora is the best one you look for. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, drop a big massive like for the video. Drop down in the comments below your thoughts on the ride and what was your first ever experience on Avatar. Put down a comment and I'll give you a love heart for support. Don't forget to click punch for the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications to see more videos very soon. Till then, this is Jack here. See you all later.